How to sign up and create an account on Deepseek. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then install Deepseek application. After that, launch your application. Simply agree to the terms and conditions. Now wait for the app to load. And now in order to sign in or create an account, all you have to do is simply go to sign in with Google, use your any of the Google account, or you can also use your phone number to create an account. After creating account, you will simply be led to the main interface. Tap on agree and share, and it will automatically be logged in. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.